The MLove, a 200 retro Bluetooth speaker, boasts a powerful 45 watts rated power and 80 watts peak power. With Bluetooth 5.3, 3.5mm all input, micro SD card slot, USB flash drive, power bank feature, and wireless stereo pairing, it delivers immersive loud sound audio with easy setup. MLove has transformed the loud wireless speaker into a retro-style decor for home, bedroom, and office desk, seamlessly integrating mid-century modern style with furniture. The details of the wireless Bluetooth speakers for home include an alloy front net, top panel, and buttons with baking paint, ensuring solidity and upscale appearance. High stand legs protect the wireless Bluetooth speakers from spilled water and surface wear. Sized at 10.43, 6.77, 5.91, and weighing 6.77 pounds, this retro Bluetooth speaker with bass offers a blend of style and functionality. TimeSaver scans 3,000 characters per minute, displaying a full line of text instantly on your screen with just a slide of the handheld scanning pen. It scans and translates over 40 languages accurately and quickly, making it ideal for students and professionals alike. The Scanmarker apps provide real-time text-to-speech functionality, aiding in memorization and reading comprehension, especially for those with dyslexia or other reading difficulties. The ultra-portable design of Scanmarker Air allows for wireless scanning via Bluetooth to computers, smartphones, or tablets, compatible with Mac and Windows computers, plus iOS and Android devices. Beyond the initial purchase, users receive ongoing support with free software updates and 24/7 technical support for the lifetime of the product, along with a full 1-year warranty. This dash cam is equipped with a 150-degree super wide-angle lens and a 3-inch large LCD screen, providing sharp movies and images even during high-speed travel. It can record the front and sides of the vehicle simultaneously, with cabin cameras offering flexible recording angles for opposite direction recording. Integrated GPS precisely tracks the vehicle's location, speed, time, and routes in real time, displaying path trajectory and coordinates for accurate accident tracking. It features an f1, 8 aperture and 4 infrared lights for superior night vision performance. With the latest chip technology, it seamlessly integrates into the vehicle interior, ensuring excellent performance. Installation is made easy with reference images in the user manual, and the absence of a battery prevents issues from sun exposure or high interior temperatures. This innovative ice bucket keeps wine chilled for up to 6 hours without the need for ice. It's perfect for home use, BBQs, boats, and more. The multi-award-winning design includes adjustable height to fit most 750 milliliters wine and champagne bottles. It's made of premium stainless steel with double-walled, vacuum-insulated construction to maintain optimal temperature and prevent condensation. Beautifully packaged, it makes a great gift, and satisfaction is guaranteed with a commitment to customer service. The Divoom Times Gate is a cyberpunk digital clock that draws inspiration from future technology. With 5 full-color LCD displays featuring 128 pixel art and lively animated GIFs, it offers a unique visual experience. Smart App Control allows users to create screen patterns and data dials, while the Pixel Art Playground enables personalized pixel art creation. Doubling as gaming setup decor, it infuses gaming spaces with vibrant light and customizable backlight combinations. Whether for family, friends, or colleagues, the Times Gate is an unforgettable gift choice, transforming spaces with its unique design and versatility. This electronic clock draws inspiration from the Steins Gate animation, featuring a combination of full-color LCD display and quartz glass tube for a Nixie tube-like effect with enhanced lifespan. Its high transmittance quartz glass allows clear visibility of internal parts, complemented by custom RGB backlighting for ambient lighting. Crafted with anodized aluminum alloy base and transparent visual circuit board, it exudes cyberpunk sci-fi style, serving as a striking desktop ornament. The clock integrates a high-precision RTC chip for accurate timing, supporting 12/24-hour format display and power-off memory. Personalized dials and multimedia album function add versatility, while installation is hassle-free, requiring only screen and glass cover attachment. The Shargeek Storm 2 power bank boasts a massive 25,600 mAh capacity, capable of charging various devices multiple times, including iPhones, MacBooks, iPads, and cameras. Its intelligent IP screen provides a clear visualization of battery life, output distribution, temperature, and voltage adjustment during charging. With a unique see-through design, it showcases its internal structure. The power bank features a PD 100 watts USB-C port for fast charging, capable of charging a MacBook Pro 16 from 0% to 50% in just 41 minutes. Additionally, it offers universal compatibility with laptops, phones, drones, cameras, and more, catering to diverse charging needs. The Hover Air X1 drone revolutionizes how we capture dynamic moments with its advanced tracking technology, reaching speeds of up to 15 miles per hour. Weighing just 125 grams and foldable for portability, it's perfect for sports like cycling and skateboarding. Offering pre-programmed flight paths and manual control options, users can effortlessly capture the perfect shot. With a high-quality camera, it records 2.7K 30fps videos and 1080p HDR footage with smooth stabilization. The Hover X1 app provides real-time previews and sharing options, while 32GB internal storage ensures privacy and convenience. Safety features, including fully enclosed guards, make it suitable for users of all levels. Whether you're a vlogger or adventure enthusiast, the Hover Air X1 drone is your go-to companion for capturing memorable moments with ease. OBSBOT Tiny 2, a groundbreaking 4K webcam that sets a new standard in the industry. Equipped with the 11.5 CMOS sensor, it delivers unparalleled image quality and light sensitivity, ensuring clear visuals even in dark environments. With advanced AI tracking technology, it offers 4 tracking modes to capture every move smoothly and swiftly. Voice and gesture control features allow for hands-free operation, while industry-leading 0.3 seconds autofocus ensures sharp images in an instant. Customizable modes cater to various scenarios, from meetings to live streaming. Compatible with PC, laptop, Mac, tablet, and more, the OBSBOT Tiny 2 offers excellent adaptability for a wide range of applications. VSDISPLAY, a 14.5-inch 2K LCD touchscreen monitor designed for versatile applications. With a resolution of 2560 by 720 and a screen brightness of 350 CDM2, it offers crisp visuals and clear display even in bright environments. The touch function, with a 5-point touch panel, enables smooth operation, allowing users to swipe, scroll, select, zoom, and move the cursor with precision in just 3 to 5 ms. Supporting mini HDMI and Type-C video inputs, it's easy to connect to various devices such as PCs, laptops, and game cabinets. The package includes necessary cables for signal transmission and touch function, ensuring hassle-free setup. Ideal for DIY projects or as an extended display monitor for work or gaming, the VS145ZJ01T meets various needs with ease and convenience. Insta360 Link, the ultimate 4K webcam designed to enhance your video communication experience. With a best-in-class 1/2 sensor, Link delivers stunning Ultra HD 4K resolution with lifelike detail and excellent dynamic range. Its gimbal design and powerful AI tracking algorithm ensure that the lens follows your every movement, keeping you center stage with automatic zooming and framing. Control the camera effortlessly with 3 simple hand gestures, enabling AI tracking, zooming, and activating whiteboard mode. Link offers versatile modes such as whiteboard mode, desk view mode, overhead mode, and portrait mode, making communication easier than ever. Equipped with dual noise-canceling microphones, it delivers crisp, clear audio by reducing background noise. For ultimate control, use the dedicated desktop software to manually adjust brightness, exposure, gimbal position, and more. Compatible with Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, and more, Link is your go-to webcam for professional quality video communication. The product does not include standalone lithium batteries. Enjoy quick coffee with self-heating in 2.5 minutes using cold water or 5 seconds with hot water. The high-pressure pump allows for barista-style results, brewing up to 8 cups of espresso, 40 milliliters per charge. With a max 80 milliliters water capacity and aluminum alloy construction, it's lightweight and compact, perfect for outdoor or office use. Compatible with 12 volts, 24 volts car cigarette lighters using USB-A to USB-C charging. Its all-aluminum alloy body is smaller and lighter, fitting easily into car cup holders. Compatible with Nespresso, L'Or, Starbucks, Lavazza, and Illy Original capsules. The updated INMOTION V8S electric unicycle features a matte scrub surface for enhanced scratch resistance and the removal of ambient lights. Join INMOTION in pioneering sustainable transportation for a convenient commute. With a powerful 1,000 watts motor, the V8S reaches speeds up to 22 miles per hour, offering an exhilarating ride. Its large capacity, lithium-ion battery provides an impressive range of up to 47 miles on a single charge. Plus, conquer any hill with ease thanks to its exceptional climbing ability of up to 30th inclines. Experience the thrill and efficiency of the INMOTION V8S for a sustainable and convenient mode of transportation. Experience crystal clear 1920p HD resolution with the upgraded 2.0 MP endoscope camera, ideal for capturing detailed videos and images in tight spaces like pipes, sewers, and walls. Easily connect to iOS 9.0 plus devices via the SUP Anisoc app for live viewing. The semi-rigid 16.4 feet cable bends freely and remains rigid, reaching narrow corners effortlessly. With IP67 waterproofing and adjustable 8 LED lights, this borescope handles dark environments and water depths up to 3.28 feet. Included accessories like hooks and magnets aid in retrieving lost items, making it a versatile tool for home and automotive use. Ideal as a gift, this snake inspection camera is a must-have gadget for any handyman. The NS200 Starlight full-color night vision binoculars, offering 24-hour all-weather color shooting with a 1.2 super large aperture lens and Starlight level CMOs. Capture UHD, 4K video, and 36 MP pictures with adjustable screen modes for versatile shooting in any lighting condition. With 7 levels of adjustable infrared light and a viewing distance of 13-12 feet, these binoculars are ideal for hunting, animal observation, and security monitoring. Featuring a large 3.2-inch TFT display and IP54 waterproof rating, the NS200 ensures superior image quality and durability in various environments. Each package includes night vision goggles, a neck strap, a 32 GB TF card, and more. Plus, our professional customer team is available 24/7 for any assistance needed.